Introducing the Verdex 500-litre Mobile Waste Bin, a robust, high-capacity solution for efficient waste handling across demanding environments. Designed for construction sites, warehouses, retail backrooms, and waste management operations, this bin offers a generous 500-litre capacity to manage high volumes with fewer trips and less manual handling. Manufactured from tough, high-density polyethylene plastic, the bin is built to withstand frequent use in challenging conditions, while maintaining long-term durability and structural strength. Mobility is made easy with 4 heavy-duty 200mm casters, including 2 with brakes, for smooth and secure positioning on site. A double-access folding lid provides controlled disposal and helps contain waste, while the supplied internal divider allows for simple waste separation and better organisation. With smooth internal walls for easy emptying and cleaning, integrated handles for safe handling, and a compact footprint relative to its capacity, this 500-litre bin is a practical, reliable addition to any waste management process. A smarter way to keep workplaces cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Call us or visit verdex.com.au to learn more.
Verdex, equipping workplaces.